Hi, my name is Rafael Cabrera, president at Jokecrete.com. We're a marketing and distribution company for the concrete industry. We're excited to be able to introduce to you two new products, the Poseidon Super Absorber and the Super Separator. Both products are designed to be able to help you successfully traverse through the handling of slurry and excess water management. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how the water is absorbed by the Super Separator. We call it Poseidon because of the theme that we have in our branding called the Titan brand. The Titan brand are a powerful set of products that are designed to be able to have excellent results for guru contractors. And now what we're going to do is a demonstration to show you how the Poseidon Super Absorber works and how it retains its 400 times weight in water. What I'm going to do is a circle. We're going to put some water on it, and you're going to see the powerful absorption rate, the quickness of how to absorb this. Now, what I want you to do is visualize how this is going to affect your slurry. Meaning, as you're working on your job site, you're going to be able to either vacuum and put in a drum your slurry and then use our product, the Poseidon Super Absorber, and it'll literally suck up the water out of the slurry, and then you can dispose of it. So let me show you a demonstration of how that would look. I'm going to scoop out several scoops of our Poseidon Super Absorber, and this is just a granulated material. It's organic, and the reason why I'm dressed the way I am, frankly, is because if I can do it in my business clothes, anyone can do it. So let me show you how this works. One of the things that I want you to think about as we're making this little circle is, well, why am I going to bother doing wet grinding and then having to use this product? Why am I doing that? Well, lots of different reasons. One of them is, as of September of this year, September 2012, Cal OSHA has classified silica dust as a class 1 carcinogen. What that means is that you will not be able to do dry grinding and dry cutting in California in the near future. As California goes, the country goes. Technology has changed things. This is an excellent solution to handling your silica problems from a compliant perspective, and also handling your slurry from a compliance perspective in a very practical, economical way. So watch how the water then will be absorbed. Again, the product is able to absorb 400 times its weight in water. What you're going to do now is see how quickly the product is able to retain the water, to absorb the water. As you can see, the Poseidon Super Absorber immediately starts to absorb the water. So if you're cutting and quarrying or drilling, this is exactly what you do. You build a little U barrier along the wall where you're cutting, where you're quarrying around the quarry process, and the slurry gets sucked up as we go. If you're doing slurry, if you're doing wet grinding, what you do is you can take the slurry, dump it into a drum, and mix up the Poseidon Super Absorber, and it'll absorb it right away. Now watch this, we have a little break here, which I wanted you to see. So how do you deal with a break like that? Simply put a little extra material in, and immediately we'll stop it. Now you can see at the very end over there, you can see the water is coming out and it's holding its own. The water will continue to pour in. This is what I want you to see. And the water is being absorbed by the Poseidon Super Absorber. Now I'm going to show you an interesting thing here as a part of the demonstration. I'm just going to throw in a little extra here just for fun so you can see how quickly this works. It's an amazing thing. It's very simple to manage, very quick to work. It's instantaneously. Whether you're doing wet grinding, drilling, coring, cutting, this is the ideal place for you, the ideal product for you to be able to have on site and clean up your slurry without having to worry about trucking it all over from one project to another, from one on-site project to your shop, and then figuring out how you're going to dump the stuff. As long as you grind what we call applied virgin concrete that you're grinding, that means but you don't have any oil embedded in the concrete or metals, you literally can use the Poseidon Super Absorb with your slurry, dry up the slurry, dispose of it in a dumpster on site, and you're done. I mean, really, you're done. Some may say, well, we go to sites that don't have dumpsters. Well, it's a lot easier to carry 1/3 of this material in the back of your truck than 55-gallon drums. This is an amazing new product, and you are going to be able to be the first in the concrete industry to use a super absorbent product that is designed specifically for concrete. No one else in the world, literally, has the formulation that we do that is available only through joecrete.com.